Good afternoon, Sarah. I've noticed there's a considerable delay in the project. Can you provide a detailed explanation?
Good afternoon, John. Yes, we've been facing some unexpected challenges. Firstly, our lead developer, Mark, encountered a serious health issue, necessitating a shift in responsibilities and causing a setback.
I'm sorry to hear about Mark. How's he doing now?
Thank you for your concern, John. Mark is recovering, but his absence has affected the coding phase significantly. Additionally, we've onboarded a temporary developer, but the learning curve has slowed us down.
I understand. What about the integration issues you mentioned earlier?
Yes, that's the second major challenge. Our integration specialist, Lisa, unexpectedly resigned, leaving us without a key team member. We're currently in the process of hiring a replacement, but this has inevitably impacted our progress.
I see. Given these setbacks, how long do you estimate the delay will persist?
Considering the complexity of the issues, I anticipate a delay of approximately 4 weeks. We're expediting the hiring process for both a new developer and an integration specialist to accelerate our recovery.
It's a significant setback. Are you allocating additional resources to speed up the resolution?
Absolutely, John. We've brought in a consultant, Alex, to provide additional support to the team. We're also extending the working hours temporarily to expedite the resolution of critical issues.
Thank you for your efforts, Sarah. How can we ensure better communication moving forward, especially considering these unexpected events?
We're implementing a more frequent reporting system. Moving forward, every Monday, our project manager, Emily, will provide you with a comprehensive update, outlining progress, challenges, and proposed solutions.
That sounds good. In the meantime, how can we collaborate to minimize the impact of this delay?
Your input is crucial. We've scheduled a weekly meeting with you, myself, and the team to discuss any adjustments needed to align with your expectations. Your involvement will help us make real-time decisions to keep the project on track.
I appreciate your transparency, Sarah. Can you assure me that similar delays won't occur in the future?
We're learning from this experience. Once the project is back on track, we'll conduct a thorough analysis with the team to identify areas of improvement. Moving forward, we'll implement preventative measures and ensure a contingency plan is in place to mitigate the risk of similar issues arising again.